Well, I finally did it. I went ahead and bought myself a nice camera. You may have noticed that things are starting to look a little bit better around here at Techful Goodies, and that's because I've been using this camera right now that you're seeing me on, which is my son's Rebel T7. Now, that's been working good, but it's lacking a little bit of the features that I was looking for. You know, I really want to be able to remotely connect to it and control it through the computer. So that's where this comes in. I picked myself up a refurbished directly from Canon M200. So this video here is to check it out and see how refurbished cameras from Canon actually turn out. So we got the big box here. And inside the box, we have another box. Yeet. All right. So looks like when you get something from Canon directly refurbished, comes in a nice Canon box. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what else is inside. Okay, so we got some bubble wrap, and directly off the bat, you do get a brand new M200 manual, get some documents, limited warranty, and some other stuff from Canon, which isn't super important. And inside, we have a couple more items here. One thing that it definitely comes with, and this is something that's difficult to get on sort of a used or refurbished camera, is the kit lens. So this comes with a Canon 15 to 45 millimeter image stabilization lens, which is a good lens for outside, but not particularly the best lens for in here. What I'm using on my camera currently is a 35 millimeter lens that I'll talk about in a different video, where we kind of talk about whether or not using this kit lens is good for YouTube videos. So this lens looks nice. Let's take a look on the inside. Don't really see any issues in there. Comes with the screw-on lens cover, and it also comes with the clip-on for the end of the lens. So take a look at this. So yeah, that looks really nice. No scratches. It must be, I'm thinking they probably sent through maybe a new lens. It doesn't look like it has any nicks or dings on it. So that's really nice. So it comes with the kit lens. Next in the box, we have what seems to be a camera strap, if you want to connect that to the camera to keep it secure while you're using it. Comes with a battery. Whether or not this is a brand new battery or not, I would assume it probably is. It's probably easier for them to just give you a new battery. And what seems to be a brand new charger. This box doesn't look to have been opened at all. So you got the charger and you got the battery. That's nice. And inside here is the camera itself. So inside the bubble wrap, we have the refurbished M200 directly from Canon. Scared me. And here it is. So let's take a look at this. So they have two different models, right? They've got two different colors. They have the M200 in black and the M200 in white. Now, the reason I picked this up from the refurbished site was that it was a really good price. I think I got this for about $360 after tax. And the reason I picked this up was I was waiting and waiting and waiting because Canon does a lot of good sales. So you can see that if you look right now, the white one on their refurbished site is about $475, and they give you a discount. So I got this around $345, which with tax was around $360. So I waited for that sale and picked it up day one when that happened. So you can kind of check out the Canon refurbished site. I'll put the link down below. No affiliate link or anything. And they didn't provide this camera. I bought this myself. So looking at the camera, I don't see really anything wrong with it. I mean, you're looking at pretty much a pristine looking camera to me. I don't see anything wrong, any scratches on the screen. I just see my fingerprint, and everything else looks pretty great. So take that off and you can look inside here. Doesn't look like there's any dust or anything. It looks like they did a great job. I mean, it just looks like a brand new camera. I couldn't even imagine this being used in any way. Who knows what life it had before I picked it up, but it's looking pretty much pristine. So let's go ahead and toss in the battery, see if she boots up, see if it has any charge at all. Yep. And we will turn it on and set the date. And we are in. So one of the good things about this particular camera here, and the reason I got it, was that it does have a touch screen. So let's go ahead and toss on the kit lens. To do that, you just unscrew this, take off the back part of the lens, All right. And what you have to do is push and hold this lens switch on the side right here. And when you do that, you can turn the lens and that engages the camera. So that's kind of like a safety feature, I guess. When you put the camera into your bag, that way you can shut the lens all the way, dirt doesn't get inside, and you can protect it. So you can see that we're looking right now. I'm gonna bring it up here. Yeah, so I'm not seeing any problem with this at all. The lens is super clean. The articulation in and out looks super great. Jumps from a 15 to a 45 millimeter lens. I think that the aperture is a 3.5 to a 6.3. This lens flips up and flips around with no issue. So yeah, I think I got myself an awesome deal, and I'm excited to use this camera. I can go ahead and buy something on eBay, might have gotten around the same price, but buying it directly from the manufacturer and having them refurbish it and send it to me, I ordered it, got it within 2 days, and I was ready to go. With a full brand new battery charger, came with a battery, lanyard for the camera, manual, all the lens covers. But if you order from some of the used sites, all you're getting is the body only. You're not getting the kit lens. But yeah, that's it. I really just wanted to show you all the new camera, show you the quality that you can get from Canon Refurb, and also the price. I mean, I would suggest definitely going on and checking it out. Like I said, watch for the sales. They'll always mention when they have the sales on refurbished items, and you can get a lot of discount. If you have any questions for me about this, feel free to drop it in the comments down below. Like I said, I'll leave a link to the Canon Refurb site. No affiliate link, no nothing there, just so you can check it out. But I think we've got a good deal here. And if you like this, go ahead and toss me a thumbs up, toss me a subscribe. Always helpful. Like I said, I'm a tech guy sitting at a tech desk, checking out cool tech stuff. So make sure you comment down below, say hi. But other than that, this is Carl from Techful Goodies, and I'm out.